Hello friends. I'm Engineer Saki, the creator of the Electric Station Educational Channel. I hope I can provide you with a very valuable and practical lesson today. In this video, we're going to calculate how many watts of solar panels you need to charge a 12V 100Ah lithium battery. The short answer is, around 400 watts. But if you want to learn how to calculate this for any battery size and for any location, stay with me for just a few minutes. I will explain everything in 3 simple steps, and at the end I'll also give you a complete wiring diagram along with the components you need. Large blue circle. Step 1, converting amp hours to watt hours. Watt hours represent the actual amount of energy stored in the battery. It is independent of voltage, which means the same calculation works for 12V, 24V, and 48V batteries. Example 1. Small blue diamond lithium battery 12V 100Ah. 12 times 100 equals 1200 Wh. Other examples. Small blue diamond lithium battery 24V 100Ah 2560 Wh. For lead acid batteries, only about 50% of the capacity is usable. For example, small blue diamond lead acid battery 12V 100Ah about 600 Wh of usable energy. Large blue circle. Step 2, determining the peak sun hours of your location. Solar production depends on your location and the season. For example, in Los Angeles, the lowest monthly average sun hours are in December, about 4.02 hours of usable sunlight. To find the sun hours for your own location, simply visit the PVWatts website. Large blue circle. Step 3, combining the information. Now let's perform the main calculation. We know small blue diamond A 12V 100Ah lithium battery 1200 Wh. To charge it fully in one day with 4.02 sun hours. 1200 divided by 4.02 equals 298.5 watts of solar panels. But we must consider efficiency losses. Charge controller, 95%. Battery efficiency, 95%. Overall efficiency 90%. So we multiply by the correction factor. 298.5 times 1.11 equals 328.3 watts. We round this up to 400 watts so the system always has extra capacity. Wrench wiring diagram and required components. For this system, you will need heavy checkmark solar panels. 2 200 watt panels, total 400W. Heavy checkmark wiring configuration. If there is no shading, series connection. If shade is present, parallel connection. Heavy checkmark charge controller. 400W divided by 12V34A. A 48 amp MPPT charge controller is ideal. Heavy checkmark solar cable. For a 15-meter distance, use 10 AWG solar cable. Heavy checkmark fuse. A 40 amp fuse is required on the panel line. Battery calculations for larger battery banks. Example. 4 server rack batteries with a combined storage of 20 kWh. 20,480 Wh divided by 4.02 equals 5094 watts. Applying efficiency factor 5654 watts of solar panels. Battery lead acid battery example, 12V 100Ah. 600 Wh divided by 4.02 equals 149.25 W. Lead acid efficiency 85% correction factor equals 1.18. 149.25 times 1.18 equals about 200 watts of solar panels. Electric plug charging with a household charger. Example. A 12V 20 amp charger 240 watts. A 1280Wh battery will take 1280 divided by 240 equals 5.3 hours to fully charge. Person with folded hands. End of the video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends who are interested in solar energy. Take care, and see you in the next video. Battery.